Okay, exercise 35, page 71. Let's have a look at question number 4 in this exercise. Probably the easiest way to solve these two simultaneous equations is by elimination, and that means we've got to get x's and all y's the same. So let's call equation number 1, the top equation number 1 and the second equation number 2. I don't know what x and y are, but I know that they're the same in both equations. I've got two unknowns, so therefore I need two equations, and I can solve them simultaneously. I'm going to try and make y's the same in both equations. So what I'm going to do, if I multiply equation number 1 by 5, I will get 5 times minus 2 is minus 10y. If I multiply equation number 2 by 2, I'll get 2 times 5 is 10y. So I'll have 10y in both equations. But of course I have to remember, if I'm going to do that, to multiply every term by 5 in the first one and every term by 2 in the second. So if you want to do that and carry on and then try and eliminate y's and solve, have a go. The solution follows. So if I times 3x by 5, I get 15x minus 10y equals 5 times 13 is 65. And then for the second equation times by 2, I get 4x plus 10y equals minus 8. So equations 3 and equation 4. Now I want to eliminate. If you note in these two equations 3 and 4, in 3 the y's are negative, in 4 the y's are positive, so to eliminate I add. So to eliminate I'm going to add equation 3 to equation 4. So you follow it so far, see if you can carry on and get the solution for x, and then substitute that value of x back into one of the original equations to find y. Okay, so carrying on. So adding equation 3 to equation 4, I get 15 plus 4 is 19x minus 10y plus 10y is 0, which is the whole point of doing it. 65 plus negative minus 8 is minus 8, so that's 57. So now I have a simple equation, 19x equals 57, so I divide both sides by 19, x equals 57 divided by 19, which is not right. Have I made a mistake? No, that's okay. Can't do mental arithmetic. 57 divided by 19 is 3. So x equals 3. Now I've got that x equals 3, I can put that back into the original equation, 1 or 2, and find out what y is. So see if you can do that, but I'll carry on with the solution. So 3x minus 2y equals 13. That's equation number 1. So I know what x is now, it's 3. So therefore 3 times 3 minus 2y equals 13. So 9 minus 2y equals 13. So let's solve this equation. I don't like the fact that the 2y is negative, so add 2y to both sides. So 9 equals 13 plus 2y. Then subtract 13 from both sides. So minus 9 minus 13 is minus 4 equals 2y. divide both sides by 2, so minus 2 equals y, or y equals minus 2. Check finally by putting those numbers back into equation number 2, the second original equation, to check it works. What's 2 times x plus 5 times y? Does that give minus 4? And I think you'll find that it does.